Okay, today I'm going to show you how to diagnose a power seat concern. This is on a 1997 Z28 Camaro 6-way power seat. The switch is already dropped out of it. I've checked the fuses. This is a circuit breaker system. Choose a 30 amp circuit breaker. So I went and checked that first. I pulled up a wiring diagram, printed it off so that you could see what circuits are involved. First thing I got out was my test light, and looking at the circuit, the orange wire coming in here is going to be our power, which lights up my test light, shows power there. We've got battery voltage. I busted out my voltmeter, battery voltage. We check the orange wire, comes up to 12.8 volts. Alright, the next test I want to do, well, you can see we got nothing going on there. Nothing moves when I operate the switch. Doesn't go up or down, nothing. So I thought, well, maybe we got a bad circuit. Well, we got power down here. Okay, the black wire, if we look at the wiring diagram, the black wire is called the G300, and it's under the driver's seat. So I always recommend find a wiring diagram before you do any electrical work. So the G300 is underneath the driver's seat. If I look on my switch, the black wire is right here on. Okay, I've unbolted the seat and I flipped it forward, and I found the power connector underneath the seat. It's got the power and ground to it, and back probed it, tried the switch again, and now it's working. But looking in this connector right here, and I don't know if you can see it or not, there's some green in there. That green is corrosion. So it would probably be wise for me to take this apart and clean it up super good, because I think that's where our problem lies, is right inside this connector where the pins come together. Okay, my hunch was correct. There is corrosion inside the connector. I'm going to get some emery cloth and spray some WD-40 in there, shine it up super good on both ends, do what I can to clean it up, and then plug it in, unplug it about half a dozen times, and then recheck it and see if it's got a good connection. Okay, I've cleaned up the ground path on the connector. Now we're going to check and see if it works okay. It seems to be working fine. Uh-oh, have to check that switch. Looks like everything's working except back up on this one. So I'll have to take a look, see if I can fix that. That's all for now.